Hi, Madeleine here from Sonic Bloom with a new episode of With a Little Help from Max for Life. And this time I want to show you a free Max for Life audio effect called Device Lister, which allows you to create a list of all the plugins, Max for Life devices, and also live devices that you've used. It works in Live 11 and 12 and possibly also earlier versions. So here you can decide if you want the plugins listed, Max for Live devices and live devices. Bullets only, I'm going to show you in a minute, and then include what type it is as well. So let's just do that and just run through it. So first you have to click on Fetch Data after you've decided what you want included. Then you click on Create List. If Bullets only is not clicked, you can see here that a chain, rec, device and so on is listed. And if I close this up again, click Bullet, Fetch Data, and then Create List, you can see this is no longer included, and so here it's less information and you can decide which one you prefer best. So let's have a quick look what the difference between include type and not type is. So here you can see that it says bouncy notes, not what it is, and contact, not what it is. And if I just repeat this with include type, and I'm going to turn bullets only off, then you can see that it lists the device, that it's the bouncy notes, Max for Life MIDI effect, and the VST instrument contact. It also makes a difference if you're on Mac, audio instruments or effects or VSTs. It can't differentiate between VST2 and 3, which is a thing in Max itself, so it can't be changed. And as you can see, it's not perfect because it doesn't actually list what presets of the Max for Life bouncy effects is used or what contact library. But you can use this to add this detail, for example, for backing up your live set in the end. For example, let's say you have to upgrade your operating system and you just want to have all the lists to see like, oh, I've been using this, I have to make sure those still work. Otherwise, I'm going to have to make backups of like the tracks of like bounces. And you don't have to have it as a list here in Max for Life. You can also click on Fetch Data, then click on Save to File, and then Create List. And then you can decide where you want to save it. And I'm just going to call it a test list. And here you can see the same thing is listed as well. In my case, I just created a new set and that has not been saved, but otherwise you would also see where it's saved. Although I would recommend that you save the set lists perhaps with the live sets themselves, because then it's more easier to see what it is. Well, that's it. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And I hopefully see you next time. Until then, bye.